What if I told you there is actually no air stored inside an airbag before a crash? Then where does all that air come from in less than a blink? And why does it feel like an explosion inside your car? Today, you will find out what is really hidden inside airbags. Let's get into the video. Most people imagine an airbag like a balloon filled with air, waiting to pop open during a crash. But that is completely wrong. Inside your steering wheel or dashboard, there is no pre-filled airbag at all. Instead, what you're sitting next to is a tightly folded nylon fabric and a small metal container. So the real question is, if there is no air inside, how does it inflate so fast? The answer is, it doesn't inflate with stored air. It creates gas instantly when needed. Inside every airbag system, there are three main parts. First, the sensor system. Your car is constantly watching your movement. When it detects a sudden, strong impact like a crash, it sends a signal in milliseconds. Second, the inflator unit. This is the real heart of the system. It contains special chemical compounds designed to react extremely fast when triggered. When activated, these chemicals rapidly produce a large amount of nitrogen gas. This is what fills the airbag. Third, the folded nylon airbag itself. It is packed tightly, so it can expand in less than 0.03 seconds. When a crash happens, everything happens insanely fast. Sensors detect impact, signal is sent, then chemical reaction happens, gas released, and finally airbag bursts open. It feels like an explosion, but it's actually a controlled reaction. The gas inflates the bag so fast that it can fully open before your body hits the steering wheel. That timing is critical. If it inflates with such force, why doesn't it injure you? Because the airbag is designed very carefully. It has tiny vent holes, so after it inflates, the gas slowly escapes. This prevents your body from bouncing back like a rubber ball. Instead, it absorbs your energy gradually, reducing injury to your head and chest. So even though it looks violent, everything is engineered for one thing. That is controlled protection. So the next time you hear someone say, "Airbag, remember this." There is no stored air inside. It's a smart system that creates gas in milliseconds using chemistry, sensors, and precise engineering. A simple idea that can literally save your life in less than a blink. And that's the hidden science inside your car.